Do I attract you? Do I repulse you with my queasy smile? Am I too dirty? Am I too flirty? Do I like what you like? I could be wholesome, I could be loathsome. Guess I'm a little bit shy. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me without making me try? Try to be like Grace Kelly, but all her looks were too sad. So I try a little Freddy. I gotta get that to go. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be happy, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be green, gotta be mean, gotta be everything more. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Why don't you walk through that door? But it's really cold, so don't leave yet. How can I help it? How can I help it? How can I help what you think? Hello my baby, put in my life on a break. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Why don't you like yourself? Just keep going. Trying to be like Grace Kelly, but all the looks were too sad. So I try a little Freddy. I'm gonna enter tonight. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be happy, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be green, gotta be mean, gotta be everything more. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Why don't you walk through that door? Say what you want to satisfy yourself. But you only want what everybody else says you should want. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet skies, I could be happy, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be green.